Alright, today we're gonna go into this big hive to see where the queen is and see if there's queen cells and if it's gonna swarm or not. And a little bit of smoke.
This box is a super that when we bought the hive, they had it on top of a deep, and that was the whole colony. Well, what we did is we, by advice of a friend, we put a queen excluder in, and we moved the queen to the bottom, we put a queen excluder in, and we put another deep on top of that, and then we put this super up here. So we're trying to get the whole hive to live down in 2 deeps and not in a super.
Not much going on.
No, not much going on there. That's fine. They're not ready for that because they have this whole new deep they got to draw out first.
Queen excluder's stuck on.
That's fine. Alright, let's go see what we got in this one. Hopefully we'll find some eggs. Alright, so they're drawing this comb out really nice. I'm sure there won't be any eggs right here, but I do see some sugar. The cone is thin, but they're working on it. Alright. So they are getting this comb drawn out for us, which is a good thing. I don't expect to find any queen cells, if there is any, until we get into the next box, and that's what we really need to look at. We have to be careful here because the queen could be here, but not likely because this comb isn't really that drawn out yet. Okay, now we really gotta watch out for the queen. Just more honey, lots of honey. It's outside ones. We're not going to see brood here probably. It's okay. Probably not going to see the queen on this one either. Let's set that one on a frame perch.
Honey.
Is it?
Yeah, I see a couple of cats.
Did you see any eggs though? These are drone cells. Here's a hatched drone cells. These bigger cells are drone cells, but they're not queen cells. We are seeing some capped brood. I don't see any larvae right here on this one yet. I see a pattern that I don't really care for that much. I don't see a very consistent egg pattern. I don't see the queen on this one. Right. See this great big bee right here?
Yeah.
That's a drone, a male. There's another drone right there. I do see some larvae down on the bottom of some of these, but they're covered with bees, so I don't think we'll get to film them. Oh, grab that brood. Yeah. Well, you know what? The queen could be there. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or not, but a lot of different colors from the pollen in there. We got yellow, reds, purples from the different flowers that are in bloom right now. It's a quite colorful flame.
Is that one hatching?
Oh yeah, yeah. We got a couple of just hatching out right here. Look at that, they're just popping their little faces right out. I don't know if the camera can focus that tight or not, but it would be fun to leave this.
Another one.
Yeah.
3, 4.
It would be fun to film that, but I don't think we ought to keep it open that long.
How long does it take?
It'll take a few hours for them to get out of there. We got a lot of comb on the bottom of that we need to scrape off, Michael. What we got on this side? Just got to do it over the top in case the queen's on this frame. We don't want to shake her off.
That's a queen right there, isn't it?
Is it?
Right there.
I can't see it. Where?
Stop moving her, else I'm gonna
It's a drone.
Big.
See how the eyes are together? It's like one big eye.
Oh yeah.
That's how you know it's a drone. Hold it up so I can film it. Is that a lot of comb on the bottom, or that's just a lot of bees?
Good way to spend Mother's Day.
Yeah. Got Mom over there in the garden working a little. How'd that go?
Good.
You did good.
Thanks.
Hey, Smokey.